How to enable Spotify Connect. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can enable Spotify Connect. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Spotify app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the app. Now with Spotify Connect, you can use one device to remotely control listening on another. When connecting to the speaker for the first time, all devices need to be on the same Wi-Fi. Now open Spotify and play something. Then you want to tap on this icon right here. Now pick the device you want to play on. If you pause playing for more than 10 minutes, you might need to reconnect. If you're seeing more than one device of the same name, try connecting to each in turn. Try logging into the device using your Spotify credentials and you should be able to see it in the Spotify app. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.